I think you are searching about digital soldering station, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality digital soldering station? Need free shipping digital soldering station? Looking for soldering station having quick heating capacity? Looking for soldering station having automatic cooling function? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best digital soldering station. Number 1. Quicko digital soldering station, and the feature is product material, metal. Advantage, quick heating, auto sleep and auto power off. Temperature, 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. 10 melting time, less than 8 seconds. Display size, 0.96 inches. Let's go for number 2. NEWACALOX digital soldering station, and the feature is amount of wind, 120 liter per minute. Discharge feature, blue LED indicator light. Cooling function, automatic cooling function, for effectively prolonging the heater's life. Blower fan, brushless fan. Temp range, 200 to 480 degrees Celsius. Let's go for number 3. Aiyima digital soldering station, and the feature is PCB board size, 24 mm into 73 mm. Output temperature, 180 to 435 degrees Celsius. Temperature stability, 1 degree. Working AC voltage, 110 volts to 240 volts. Dimensions 90 into 41 into 140 mm.